Zimbabwe's parliament secretly splunked close to 400,000 US dollars of taxpayers' money refurbishing the private Borodale residence of Senate President Mabuchi Nomona, splashing out on luxury beds, curtains, appliances, and decor while systematically dodging tender laws. An investigation is revealed. Sarapina mashoko buda investigation achonoka kuti parliament panguva ino yospenda mari inosvika 400,000 US dollars yemapublic funds, mari dzevanhu aiwa panguva ino vachinouya vachinorefurbisha imba yaMabuchi Nomona. Chinhu chauya chikaterera pasocial media kuda kuinvestigation yauya ikaexposa. Sarapina mashoko buda nyika kuti parliament's luxury spree 400,000 US dollars of public cash pours into Senate boasts a private home. Not for subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tipina mnamu buda nyika mchinzi. Records show 372,260 US dollars was paid to and-pick suppliers, even though individuals' transactions exceeded legal threshold that require open competitive bidding. Auditor General Ria Kujinga flagged the spending in a 2023 and 2024 audit reports, warning that Parliament's actions violated procurement rules and opened the door to abuse. Among the eye-watering expenses were 160,000 US dollars for a new perimeter wall, 64,000 US dollars for curtains, and tens of thousands more for chandeliers, beds, fridges, and kitchen appliances. Former Finance Minister Tendai Biti has demanded a full forensic audit, warning that the very institution meant to guard public finances is sinking into corruption. If Parliament itself is corrupt, Biti asked, who then guides the guards? Tomashoko anomudanyoka panguva ino ari kunokunzi aiwa Mabuchi Nomona aiwa warakasha mari dzevanhu, warakasha taxpayers money. Aiwa panguva ino uchinokunzi Parliament yauya ichinyatsokurefurbisha imba yake. Vasikana veWomen's League vamuri kuona panguva ino vari kuuya vachisapota mutungamiri wenyika pavision yake ye2030. Ngoti dzemafunguro enyu moti kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi? Subscribe or like, chat on the bell icon.